Hey there, super smart kids! Welcome to our channel, the most fun and exciting quiz channel just for you.
Which animal can hold its breath the longest? Good job, the answer is whale. What is the fastest sea animal? Very good, right answer is sailfish. Which animal has the longest tongue? The right answer is anteater. Which animal is known for having a false thumb? Good choice. The answer is panda. What animal has the longest migration journey? The right answer is Arctic tern. Which animal is famous for using tools? Good. The answer is chimpanzee. Which animal has the most teeth? The right answer is shark. Which wild animal is known to be a natural-born swimmer? The right answer is otter. Which animal's blood is blue? Great! Right answer is octopus. Which wild animal has a tongue as long as its body? The right answer is giraffe. Which animal can survive without food for a month? The right answer is camel. Which animal is known for its ability to regrow limbs? Good job, it's starfish. Which animal has the largest brain? The right answer is whale. Which animal is known for its incredible jumping ability? Yes, the kangaroo. Which animal has the longest tail? Yes, the long-tailed macaque. Which animal is known for carrying its young on its back? Kangaroo, good. Which animal is known for having the best memory? The right answer is elephant. Which animal is capable of seeing ultraviolet light? The right answer is honeybee. Which wild animal is the most dangerous to humans? Good, mosquito. Which animal has a natural immunity to many diseases? The right answer is goat. Which animal can fly the highest? Good job, peregrine falcon. Which wild animal can hear sounds that humans cannot? Great, the answer is bat. Which animal is known for its speed underwater? The answer is dolphin. Which animal's skin is toxic to the touch? Great job, the answer is frog. Which animal is known for living in a pod? The right answer is dolphin. What is the smallest wild cat? A black-footed cat. Which animal has a heart that can weigh over 400 pounds? A blue whale. Which animal can survive in the vacuum of space? A tardigrade. Which wild animal can leap the furthest? A kangaroo! Which animal is known to have the most complex communication? A dolphin!
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us a lot. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next fun videos.